Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with some case reviews for the iPhone 13 series phones. You know it, it's Nomad cases. And this is the Nomad Modern Leather case and the Modern Folio case. So both of these available for the iPhone 13, 13 Pro, Pro Max, and Mini. They bring two different things to the table. You get the traditional leather shell case, and then they add on a folio on the front of it so you can get the front cover, which also acts as a wallet, throw some cash in there, all that good stuff. It's got an integrated digital business card you can set up as well. So lots of cool things going on here. We're going to dive in, take a close-up look at them, and see how well they work out, talk about the features. But before we get into that, I do want to say if this is your first time stopping by the channel, thank you for being here. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. Let's check out these two iPhone 13 cases from Nomad. Alright, so first things first, let's take a look at the Modern Leather case. So this fits, you can get this for all of the iPhones. So whether it's the iPhone 13, the 13 Pro, the Pro Max, or the Mini, they will hook you up. $59.95, comes in three colors. It comes in a natural color, it comes in this rustic brown and also black. And this one right here is my personal favorite. I've been using this case since the iPhone, I would say the iPhone 8. And I've always loved these. It's got the fantastic Horween leather on here, vegetable tanned leather, develops a nice rugged patina over time, as you can see here, day 1 and then to day 100. It's also got the digital business card here now, so you can use that for contact transferring and things like that for your information. And air bumper, drop protection up to 10 feet now, so that's nice as well. So yeah, integrated digital business card by Popple, whatever that is. I'm not familiar with them, but anyway, you can scan the QR code to learn more about it. Here's the case. Let's go ahead and put it on the phone. Oh, and also on the inside, it's got this nice microfiber lining, as well as the MagSafe ring, so you can use this with MagSafe. That's super nice. Looking forward to doing that. I've been using that as my charging method here lately. It's really convenient, like next to the bed, just pop it on there. So nice. So you've got raised bezel protection here. This protects your super expensive, nice cameras on the back. So you can see it's raised up slightly higher than the camera. If you take your phone, place it down on a flat surface, you're good to go there. Works with, it's MagSafe compliant, also works with wireless charging, so if you want to throw it on a regular wireless charger, you're good there as well. Nice open ports here. You can put a lanyard through here if you want, so if you get the little lanyard wrist strap or buy one, you can loop it through there. That's also a nice thing. Open up for the speakers, and there you go, got nice access there as well. Now you can see here it's not a big opening, so if you've got some sort of like an adapter, I've said this for years, it may or may not work, most likely it won't, but there's not a whole lot of adapters you're plugging in anyway. Most stuff you do wirelessly nowadays, honestly. You got this nice textured power button which has good tactile feedback. It's actually pretty darn easy to press, so I'm happy about that. It's probably one of the best power buttons they've had on their cases to date, and you can see it's slightly indented, so it makes searching for the power button pretty easy. You don't have to rummage around too far trying to find it. Nice easy opening to get to your mute switch, good tactile feedback, good positive response on the buttons for the volume. And then you've got the nice leather here as well. So super fancy case. Even on the front side here, you can see it's got raised bezel protection on the front. So if you take your phone, place it on a flat surface, you're covered there as well. So this is my personal favorite leather case. I always get these when it comes to my iPhones. So these guys over at Nomad, they're great. Make solid quality products. I've been working with them for like 5 years. They make some good stuff. Now this one right here, same thing. Everything is basically identical, except this one has a folio cover. So this one's a little bit more expensive. It's $79.95. So that is a bit of a spicy meatball. I mean, anytime you pay for leather, it's always more money whenever you do that. So, but this one, it's also got a wallet feature. You can put cards and cash in here. You've got extra storage slots so you can put stuff in there. Again, the microfiber here, also microfiber line there. You see the excellent stitching that's on here, high quality craftsmanship, the Nomad logo. Pop this in here, activated my camera there. Go ahead and put your phone in there, and voila, you're good to go. Works out quite nicely. Now the only thing you'll notice here is that this doesn't turn your screen off whenever you close it. I kind of wish that it did, but unfortunately it doesn't. Something I want to highlight there. Great stitching on the leather here on the folio cover. Works out nicely, and then you can wrap it around the back there, so if you want to use it and hold on to it, you're covered that way. Some people really like these folio style cases. Same basic case concept. Again, here it's just like the rugged case. They just threw a folio cover on it and protected for your camera. Raised bezel protection there. And then even though you've got the folio cover, you still have the raised protection here for the front of the screen as well. And then same openings. It's essentially, like I said, it's the same case. They just put a cover on it and charge a little bit more money because of the extra leather that goes in here. But this one's nice. This one will also develop that nice rugged patina over time. Comes in multiple colors. $79.95, $59.95 over here for the regular one. So $20 difference. But they've got both of these and available for your phone. So you can check it out on their website, nomadgoods.com. Also, when it comes to the folio cover, this one's only available in the rustic brown and the black. It doesn't come in the natural color. But you can check out all their cases online. You can go to the website, nomadgoods.com. But that's about all I've got on my review of these two cases, the Modern Leather Folio and the Modern Leather case made by Nomad for the iPhone. Again, iPhone 13, 13 Pro, Pro Max, and the 13 Mini. They got you covered all the way around. So that's all I got on this one. No need to pan back to my face so you can see me talk some more. That's all I've got in the video. So if you got any questions or comments, please feel free to sound off in the comment section. I'll get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.